Hey everybody, we just got done drawing a pie for Pie Day coming up. What kind of pie did you draw?
An apple cherry pie.
Apple cherry. I did a cherry pie. We're going to show you how we did it, so let's jump into it. All right, today we are drawing. Do you know what we're drawing?
A pie.
A pie for Pie Day, March 14th, 3.14.
Yep.
So we're going to draw a pie, just a piece of pie on a plate. We could draw it however we want. We could draw a pumpkin pie. We could draw a blueberry pie. We could draw a cherry pie. Apple pie.
It's so simple that you could draw anything you want on the top. You could draw apple, blueberry, or
whipped
anything,
cream.
or anything you want.
Yeah, I know. I'm excited. All right. So the pie is going to be kind of right here. Okay. And first thing we're going to start with is just a little teeny, kind of like a shark fin. Okay, and then we're going to go two little, okay, and then we're going to do two more loops.
Loop.
And then a big loop like this. Yep, and I like to kind of make them curve around like that a little bit. Kind of looks like the emoji poop. A poop emoji. Okay, awesome. Okay, next thing that we're going to do is we're going to put a little diagonal line going that way, like this. Ready? Just like that. Okay, and then over here, we're going to do a diagonal line going this way, but not quite as steep. So not quite like this, not quite that steep, but we're going to make it point a little bit more to the side like this. So we're going to go out like that.
Ow, that doesn't look like a pie.
It will, believe me. And then now this is going to go a straight line underneath the whipped cream. Like that. Nice. And then out here, I kind of made a mistake, but that's okay. We're going to make this diagonal line, another one go up like this. Okay. And then right here, we're going to connect the whipped cream to that.
Okay, that doesn't look like a pie.
Oh, just wait, it will. Okay, now we're going to do two straight lines from that tip to that tip. Well, that tip straight down and then that tip straight down like this.
Oh, now it looks like a pie.
Yeah, you seeing it?
Yeah, it's 3D.
You could show mom that you drew something in 3D. Okay, now this corner, okay, we're going to do another diagonal line, just kind of like these ones, but it's going to go out that way, like that.
This way?
Yep.
Oh, yeah, I can go the back.
And now we're going to do a squiggly line from this top one to this one. It looks like this. Ready? Squiggle, 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 squiggle.
Squiggle, 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 squiggle.
Nice. And then connect that one to that one too.
Squiggle, squiggle.
Okay. Now we got to connect this one to that one. Ready? Like this. Okay.
I'm about to eat this pie.
I know, it looks so good. Okay, now from this part to this part, we're going to connect it, but we're going to do it in a curve. Like this. So it looks like that. Nice. Okay, and then one more little teeny line down. One more teeny line down.
That's just a teeny line.
I know, because that's the crust. And then we're going to connect it. That looks yummy. Okay, so remember how I did this on accident?
Yeah.
We're going to make that, we're going to pretend like we did that on purpose and make it look good. So right here, we're going to do another one right here, another one right here, another one right here.
Another one right here.
Just make stripes.
I love stripes.
Yep. And then now,
Oh yeah, it's freaky. So the pie is like the back of the pie with crust.
exactly. Okay, now we're going to draw an oval for the plate, okay? So rather than
Yeah, it's
complicating it,
like the rugging or Christmas tree one, but it's basically a rug, but it's a plate now.
yep, yeah, so we're going to do a rug, but it's actually a plate. Okay, here we go. We're going to do the plate. I'm going to start right here. I'm going to put a little reference point dot and then a dot in the back dot. So we know that this line has to connect to this line in a loop. So we go like this.
I know how to do it. This work's pretty hard for people, right?
Yeah, it can be.
But we're still
And
trying
then-
to work.
Exactly. And now we're going to do a little line like this. And then here's the last part. Okay? We're going to go like this.
What's that?
Like that. We're going to connect this with a little curve. Okay. Connect that with a little curve.
Right here.
Okay.
What's that?
Mhm.
What is that?
It's just the bottom of the plate.
The bottom?
And there is our pie. And we can color it. When we color it, you can make it whatever kind of pie you want. You can put blueberries on it. You can put cherries on the inside. You can paint it all like orange to make it a pumpkin pie. Whatever you want. Ready to start?
Yep.
Okay, let's do it. All right, there is our pie. What kind of pie did you make?
Apple cherry pie.
Apple cherry pie. Nice. Do you know what Grandma and Grandpa used to eat with their apple pie?
What?
Cheddar cheese. Isn't that weird?
Yeah. What's cheddar cheese?
Just a slice of cheddar cheese. For whatever reason, they ate cheddar cheese with apple pie. I did a cherry pie. I love. Is that a smiley face?
Yeah.
I love it. Okay. Well, there is our pie for Pie Day. I hope you guys followed along, and I hope you guys had fun. Give a thumbs up.
The land of pie.
Nice. And we'll see you next time.